Hi everyone, I just wanted to post a quick video announcement explaining how we'll deal with this week since I can't be face to face. What you should do to cover yourself in class this week is just go to the NCCC website, log on to Blackboard, and once you're in Blackboard, you'll see all of your classes are listed there. And click on this class, the Bio 213, and when you do, this is what it looks like. And basically, what I'd like you to do is click on the Start Here. And I added some instructions. So I also wrote down what I'm saying right now, but I just wanted to go through this with everyone just in case. So, terrible timing. I can't be there this week. But what we're going to do instead, luckily, we're just, kind of covering some introductory material, is I put an assignment out to cover this week. And so I explain that here right at the top of the Start Here. So just tells you to do everything in the Start Here. The Unit 1 notes are attached. There they are. I printed these out for everyone. So when I see you, next Monday is Labor Day, so when I see you next Wednesday in person, I'll have copies of the notes for everyone. I'll also have copies of the syllabus, so you don't have to print those. You can wait if you'd like. But what I would do is I would at least download the notes, take a look at the notes, and I tell you basically, those notes cover all of Unit 1. So we were going to cover about 1/3 of those notes this week. And so I listed that out, what we would have done in class this week. Okay, so this is what we would have covered face to face. In the notes, I would have tried to make it through pages 1 through 5, and I would also go through the syllabus with you. And the notes are organized by the textbook section. So you're going to see in a frame, there's a textbook section that like heads every section of the notes, and I just listed those sections here. So these are the sections of the textbook we should take a look at this week. It's very introductory, so if you have any experience in biology, general biology, I think that you'll be all set this week, as far as understanding the material, but I'm completely available for questions and that kind of thing. So that's the material we're going to cover. Now the way that we're going to cover that material is I put an additional homework assignment up for us. So I'm going to click on homework. And when you click on homework, you can see it's going to go into assignments. And when I click on assignment, you're going to see 2 assignments there. One is the Unit 1 homework, which is we have a homework every unit. And the other one is called Unit 1, Week 1. I'm going to pull that into my frame here. So this is what that homework is going to look like when you pull it up. And basically what I would like you to do this week is I would like you to complete this homework. This homework is what we would have done, covers the material of what we would have covered in class, including the syllabus. And so for instance, when you open up item 1, you can see here's a video that I made for you that briefly goes over the syllabus because I was planning on doing that face to face. And then I ask you some questions about the syllabus. Okay, and then when I'm done with this question, you can see, move this around a little bit, I can go on to the next question. And here's what this question looks like. So here we're talking about the levels of the human body going from small to big, and this is information that's in my notes and in the book. And so you'd look this over, make sure you understand it, label this picture, and again, submit it and go on to the next question. And so that's what I'm having you do this week. Okay, I wouldn't normally have you do that. We would just work together in class. But since I can't be there, this assignment will take the place of what we would have done this week. And again, you can find that homework assignment under homework. And if you go under units 1 through 6, you can find also the notes and a video playlist of what we're covering this week. And actually I should mention that. So the assignment that I gave you this week, I'm incorporating my YouTube videos so that you can get a little explanation if you're not sure of the topic before answering the question. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to go back to Start Here. Okay, so in addition to looking over the notes, looking over these sections in the book and answering those homework questions, what we want to do is get the book. I posted a video on how to get the book, and this is where you can actually get the access code for the book. You need the ebook in here because this is where the homework is located. You can get the print book if you want. You don't have to. Here's the print syllabus. Like I said, I printed that for you. I'll pass it out next week. And then here's a little explanation of the syllabus, and I put this in the assignment to make sure you watch it. So you don't have to you don't have to attend a Zoom class this week. Um, you are welcome to attend my Zoom office hours, which are Tuesday from noon to 2. If you click on that, it just opens up Zoom, like my personal meeting space, and I'll be here and we can talk face to face. But you're not required to attend anything online this week just because you signed up face to face. And so I don't want to make the assumption that people are able to do that as far as devices and internet connection and that kind of thing. Lab is completely on, so lab's unaffected by this. So we'll get through this first week and get rolling faster next week. Okay, thanks everyone.